guys, thanks so much for watching my first YouTube video. I hope that you loved it. I hope you try this recipe at home. Something I wanted to do is just leave the ending of this video with the tips and tricks section, which I'll be doing with most of my videos, just to give you a little bit of an edge to get a better recipe out of this. The first thing I want to say is that when you're cooking the pasta, you can use whatever pasta you want. You could use fettuccine, so it'd be fettuccine Alfredo, or you could use penne pasta. Penne pasta goes really well with this recipe just because it captures the pasta sauce, and I think the rigatoni does too. That's why I use rigatoni pasta for this. When you're cooking the pasta though, when it's boiling in the water, you want to take it out and drain it when it's almost done. So you don't want it the perfect texture that you would want to eat your pasta at, but just before that texture. And then go ahead and drain it, set your pasta water aside, and add your pasta into your sauce. This will help your pasta whenever it's cooking to go ahead and soak up the flavor of your sauce. If your sauce gets thick because the pasta is soaking it up, just go ahead and add some of that pasta water to it, and it'll taste amazing. It'll keep the flavor in those noodles, so when you take a bite of noodles, then you also taste the whole dish and not just a noodle that the pasta sauce has fallen off of. Another thing I would say, to make this your own, just go ahead and use whatever vegetables you have on hand, or if you don't like vegetables, don't use any. Some vegetables I would say you can use though would be broccoli. I did spinach and tomatoes. You could do zucchini or Brussels sprouts, or asparagus would be another good one to put in there. That would add a little bit of flavor, and then also a little bit of, health in there, because it does have heavy cream. Something that I would say to pair with this, just to take the edge off of the heaviness, would be just a light Caesar salad or a salad with Italian dressing on it. That pairs really well with this. If you love carbs like I do, go ahead and add a garlic bread to the side or a French bread to the side of this dish. And then along with this dish, it has a little bit of kick to it just because of the red chili flakes. You don't have to use those. And if you want it to be more spicy, just go ahead and add more in your recipe. And the last thing that I would say about this recipe is it's amazing with shrimp if you like shrimp. I use chicken because it's cheap. When my mom makes Alfredo, she always does shrimp Alfredo. I love it. But then again, shrimp is expensive if you don't get it on sale. So go ahead and just make this recipe your own. Let me know what you think. And like and comment, share, and subscribe to my channel if you want to see more from me.